All right, we are back to another Credit K YouTube channel video, the long-awaited annual business credit video I do every year to get you guys prepared to start that new business, to grow it and get that business credit, get that funding you need to start a business or grow your business or just jug and finesse. All right, so business credit has a lot of portions to it. It's ways you can build it with straight credit cards, with straight net 30s, with lines of credit. There's a lot of ways to build here in 2022, not just the net 30 way. So we're going to get into all the ways. I may split this up into a 2 or 3 part series, a couple of videos, depending on how long it is. So let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, smash it. We're here daily with the good credit content. So I'm going to tell you guys how to get your business credit set up A to Z, just like my business credit ebook does. You can cop that down in the description below. Only $20 right now. The blueprint to how to build business credit, but I'm going to show you live in the flesh right now. So in order to actually build business credit, you got to have a business, baby. Can't build business credit without a business. So if you're here in Georgia or whatever state you are in America, they have a state secretary office, which you file your business there. Here in Georgia, it's only $100. Some other states like Massachusetts is up to $400. But you need that business and you have to pay those state filing fees. So go into it. This is Georgia's. This is what Georgia's look like. You can see the web address there. Like I said, just type in your state and followed by Secretary of State, and you will find your website where you can start your business. If you're past all this, go ahead and skip forward. But just want to show you what all you need. You have to pay, you can pay with credit card, the annual fee. You go in, set up an account, and just that straight simple. You tell them your business name, tell them you want to set up as an LLC, S Corp, however you want to set it up, and you get your business set up. Paperwork comes back maybe 2 to 3 business days later, and then you can move on to the next step. Next step is getting your EIN number. Get your EIN number, you go to irs.gov, guys, irs.gov, and you can see your EIN number. All I did was go to irs.gov, type in EIN. It goes to this site, click here to apply. Note, you can only apply Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. East Coast time. So just know that if you're trying this over the weekend and it's down, or you're after 10 in the middle of the night, you can't. That's the reason why. Only do it from 7 to 10. Now, after you have your EIN number, which acts as your social security number for your business, you're going to go get your second social security number for your business. Very important. It's the Duns and Bradstreet number, your DUNS number for short. So if you ever see on your applications, DUNS number, done, this is what they're talking about. Once your business is set up, you can go ahead and set your DUNS number up yourself. Now, depending on if you're an old existing business, you may already have your DUNS number, so you can skip this. But if you've been in business for a while, you don't know your DUNS number, not sure of it, you can look it up. Just type in your business and your address, and it should find your DUNS number, or you can get your new DUNS number here. All you do is just set up an account. Once you set up an account, you enter in some information. Now, very important to wait till after you get your paperwork back from the state, because it's going to ask you to upload your article of organization and another document which you can load your EIN number, which you get instantly. So you get your EIN number instantly, but the state, articles corporation comes a couple of days later. But make sure you have both of those before getting your DUNS number, because you will need to upload those documents in DUNS number. Dun and Bradstreet, DNB. And the DNB is very important because it gives you a PAYDEX score, which I will go into a little later in this video. Now, after you got your business set up, EIN number and DUNS number, which you all need to set up a bank account, here is a great bank you need, which is Novo Business Banking. Novo Business Banking, banknovo.com. You can do there, or you can leave a comment down below, or I'm gonna leave a link to the referral. If you use my referral, both of us get $40 for opening up the account. Who doesn't like free money, guys? I know you do. So let's go ahead and get that free money and take advantage of that link in the description down below. But Bank Novo is the bank I use. No minimum fees, no monthly deposit amounts. You know, you can keep $5 in there just to keep the account open, and you don't have to deposit anything if you want to, or you can deposit money, use this. They can send invoices, they connect with QuickBooks. Very great bank to use. And you know, haven't had any issues. App works great, has all the features you use with, you know, normal banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. You can take pictures of checks, do everything you do from this app. So highly recommended, Bank Novo for bank accounts. Or you can take your Articles Corporation EIN number and go into a physical bank like Chase, Wells Fargo, credit unions. You know, I always prefer you guys use credit unions when open up bank accounts, but I know they're not always everywhere or don't have the same flexibility and technology that some of the bigger banks do. So use at your own discretion. Now, after you have your bank account, you're ready to, you know, let the world know that you're open for business, that you're ready. So you want to list yourself on 411. This allows you to get set up on search engines, like Bing. You have to go in and do Google yourself and Yahoo, but this does, you know, show up in 411 directories, helps you get searched. Now, this is very important because when these lenders and credit card companies go to look up your business, make sure you're credible, they want to see that you're listed somewhere, and this helps them find you. So you want to just go to businesses, single business, and just, you know, list your business. You can also list yourself, list your home, list yourself as an individual if you're trying to be found. And so basically just list this, put in a couple of information. They'll call your phone just to verify who they're talking to. And once you add it, you're on there and your listing shows up 48 hours after that, guys. Okay. So real quick, I'm just gonna breeze on through here. You got your corporation set up, EIN number, DUNS number, bank account, and you listed yourself. Now you're really set up to be found by these businesses. Couple of additional steps: Google My Business, get a Google card sent to your home or you know, address you're using for your business to verify that. That's one of the main reasons they look up your business, see if you're credible, see if you're listed on Google. And if you're not listed on Google, you're probably not a reputable business. They don't take their chance lending to you. So you want to make sure that you have your business listed with Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yelp, as well as just list yourself 411. Go ahead and get on all those search engines, and your business will succeed just off of being searchable. You know, some additional steps: set up your. We definitely want to have a separate business email address. I prefer going through Gmail. You can set up as a free Gmail account right now. Once you start getting some revenue, your business start growing, you can convert that over to a Google domain and say whatever your business is .com and have a reputable email address. But if you can afford to do that right now, go ahead and do it. If you can't, just wait till your business becomes profitable. Then you can start getting that email address and using that email address, and then Google domains will allow you to get a web address as well. Websites is very important. A lot of these companies want to see that you have a website. If you can't afford to get a professionally made website, use a Facebook page as your website or a link tree as your website. But you want to be look legitimate as possible. So any kind of web presence, Instagram pages, Facebook pages, just build your web presence out as thoroughly as possible, guys. All right. So now let's kind of get into the actual building portion. So all of that was important. You needed to have all that information to be found, but you have to apply to actually build the credit. So now that we got you looking good on paper, you would not be denied for any of these. So let's get into some of these quick net 30 vendors that you can apply for to build your credit, your pay debt score, as well as your Experian business score. So the first one is Uline. I know Uline has been under fire lately for not extending lines of credit to brand new businesses, but I've been seeing 50-50 on that. Some new businesses have been getting approved, some not. I'm not exactly sure how those businesses are set up on the back end, but every business that I touch and that I start setting up, just like I showed you guys over the past 10 minutes, all the ones you set up thoroughly, you will not have any issues getting these lines of credit through these companies. So what you'll do is, make an account, your new customer, put your email address in, and then go to a page, sign up, and then they'll offer you a line of credit, net 30 line of credit. And you have to spend over $100, go to load up $100 in your account, spend over 100, and they will offer you a line of credit. All right. So Uline is one. Two is Quill.com. Quill.com is the next one. They have plenty of products as far as office shipping supplies. Great thing about Quill is they do gift cards. So this is a top hack of funding your business. You can use gift cards. Once they extend you that line of credit, that reports to Experian and Dun & Bradstreet. There has been reports that they report periodically. They don't report periodically. As of today, January the 11th, 2022, they are reporting to Experian and Dun & Bradstreet. So go ahead and take advantage of this. Even if they're not reporting at the time, I still think it's a great vendor to have in your pocket. Great for ordering supplies, paper, coffee, books, anything you need, ink for your business. And like I said, they have those gift cards, guys. So you can use the gift card hack to purchase gift cards, run the amount through your business bank account, and start generating some revenue like that. Third is Granger. Now, all of these are kind of business, warehouse, industrial related websites. They have, tools, HVACs, hoses, things for industrial, chains for tires, good for the winter month. Stuff that's hard to find. Supply chain is screwed up right now. So this is kind of a direct distributor. So they don't have to, get the middleman. They get their products straight from the main source. So, they work with, different suppliers. So they usually have a lot more items than, your general Sam, Lowe's, Amazon. So take advantage of Granger. They usually start you off with at least $3,500 worth of line of credit. Once you register your account here, just go through the sign up process. Make sure you have all the information you signed up for earlier, DUNS number, EIN number, address for your business. And you won't have any issues getting approved for the line of credit. And you have 30 days to pay that back. All right. Another one is, let's get into a gas card. Every business needs some type of fuel. Even if you're e-commerce, you still got to go to the post office. You got to go pick up shipping supplies. Most businesses, you drive back and forth to work. You might have drivers. You might be a fleet. You might be in trucking. So you want to go to a2b.us and get you a fuel card that reports to Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet Business, powered by Visa. You put in, very important that you do have to connect the bank account or send in statements for this. You can send in your personal checking account. So presumably you are working before you started your business, or you're working while you're running your business. So if your business has not generated revenue yet, you want to use your personal bank account, connect your personal bank account safe through the platform. No hacks, no scamming going on. They offer you a net 7, net 14, or net 30 payment terms. You pick the amount of fuel you use a month, and they approve you based off that criteria and the money you generate in that business bank account. As long as you got some money coming into that bank account, whether it's business bank account or personal bank account, guys, you will get approved. They'll send you out your card. And like I said, it's really no credit check. Just need your EIN, and they'll offer you that net payment. Very important with these gas cards that you use them as soon as you get them. Use them at least once a month, because they are known to discontinue them or cut them off if you're not using them. So just make sure that you use your credit at least once a month and pay it off quickly as possible. That's the thing with these net 30 accounts. The faster you pay them off, the faster they report, and the faster you can build business credit. So remember, pay them off quickly. Be on the lookout for emails, mailing from these companies, because they email and mail you everything all the time. Rarely do they call outside of the first approval process. So be tentative to your email, guys. All right. That's 4. And then to get you 5, like I said, there's a lot more. There's a lot more gas cards, a lot more net 30 accounts, Shirt C, Jewelers, My CEO, Business CEO, the Red Spectrum. There are a lot of net 30 accounts that you can use. I'm going to go into that one on another video, but the last, the 5th kind of monthly, was this one really not a net 30, but it is thing that you have to pay monthly is, sorry about that, nav.com. See, nav.com acts as a Credit Karma or credit check total. It's a credit monitoring service for your business. So it monitors all things business credit. I'm going to log into my account here and show you some of my scores. So I have an 80 pay debt score. That's what you want. You want to be around 80 for everything. Here's some of my personal credit scores, my Equifax. Now, Equifax, I guess you want to be in the green. I'm not 100% sure, guys. What's the best score for Equifax? I got about 3 accounts reporting on there. A lot of the lenders or creditors that I advise on or advise people to apply for don't pull Equifax, as far as I know. So I'm not really sure how it affects approval, but you see the Dun and Bradstreet, you can see how many trade lines you have reporting to each borough. So I have 13. Oh, I added one. It was 12 the other day. So I have 13 trade lines reporting on here. And 13 trade lines is well over the amount you want to be. 9 will kind of get you approved for darn near everything. And I think I have 9 on Experian. Yep, 9 active trade lines on Experian, guys. So this is kind of the NAV report, how you kind of monitor your business credit and everything. You got some new alerts. Okay. Apply for auto loan, got me approved for that Audi. That's my auto loan hitting. So that's the NAV. Once you go to NAV, you'll see where it says update here. I'm already updated. There's one more upgrade I can make to the highest tier. I'm paying $39 a month now to have my business reported through NAV, and NAV reports your business to the business bureaus, Paydex and Experian and Equifax, and those payments help build your credit score. So by paying them $39 a month, and I also have a promo code for 20% off down in the description, so y'all take advantage of that. Once y'all upgrade here, you see it reports to all the credit bureaus, get your full personal credit scores and everything. So it's great to have, great monitoring service. Just for that one-time monthly fee, it reports. And once you get a report, you can, cut it off, stop it, or continue if you want to see what things you have reporting on your credit limit. Okay, guys. All right. So, this video is starting to run a little long. I'm going to do a part 2 of it, but this will get you set up. I got you 5 vendors that report to all the credit bureaus. Go ahead and try those. I gave you some bonus ones as well. And then next video, we're going to get into tier 2. So this is tier 1. Pretty much we're gonna get into tier 2, where we can talk about Amazon, Sam's Club, a couple of corporate credit cards that help you build your credit. All right, guys. So till next time, go ahead and take advantage, get your business set up, get those 5 net 30 trade lines, and then we're ready to go on to the next step. Get it, got it, good.